Hey, my dear. Welcome to the Fluent Podcast for advanced English learners, where you learn new things each day and practice your listening skills. The topic of the day is...
The story of Harry.
Let's go, my dear.
All right, let's dive right into this explainer. Today, we're going to do something a little bit different. We're going to intentionally slow down, take a deep breath, and just immerse ourselves in a really beautiful slice of life. We're exploring a piece called The Quiet Heart of Harry Days. Our goal here is to literally feel the romantic mood and the profound happiness embedded in these words. So we're going to take our time, read the lyrics of this piece slowly, and just let that incredible sense of peace wash over us.
We're actually starting our journey not at the very beginning of the narrative, but right in the feeling of the moment. Listen to this opening line from the chorus. Now, the sun is shining outside. By putting this right up front, it sets this incredibly warm, sunlit atmosphere that's going to carry through our whole analysis. It instantly grounds us in the present, kind of asking us to feel that warmth on our own skin before we even meet our main guy.
So, moving into section 1, A Quiet, Happy Life. Let's meet Harry Days. The text establishes his core identity right out of the gate with its very first line. It simply says, Harry Days is a very happy man. Just let that sink in for a second. This isn't a story about massive conflict or tragedy or high-stakes drama. No, it's a story about profound contentment and just quiet joy. His defining characteristic before absolutely anything else is his immense happiness. Notice how the simple sensory details of his daily routine build this super grounded, comforting picture of who he is. Let's just take a moment to read through these lyrics slowly and really get a feel for Harry. He is an English teacher, and he lives in a small house. He has short brown hair and blue eyes. Every day, he wears a white shirt and dark blue trousers. He has a nice black watch on his arm. He loves his life, and he likes his quiet room. The rhythm of these words is just so steady, right? It paints a picture of a guy who finds complete and total satisfaction in simplicity. That brings us to section 2, Under the Large Tree, a Romantic Mood. This brilliantly illustrates the romantic mood of the text. Just listen to these words. Harry is sitting under a large tree. He is thinking about a beautiful woman. The peace of nature and these intense feelings of love are deeply, deeply intertwined here. It's like the shade of that large tree provides a sanctuary for his mind to wander to the person he cares about most. It is incredibly picturesque and, honestly, just deeply romantic. Then the text actually pauses in the chorus just to state this simple, really powerful truth. Let me say it again. Love is a beautiful feeling. It's presented as this undeniable universal fact. The author is literally inviting us to share in Harry's immense happiness. We aren't just watching him from afar, we're being reminded of exactly why he feels so good. Love is taking his ordinary day and elevating it into something completely magical. Okay, let's jump into section 3, A Sweet, Warm Heart, Choosing Solitude. Now, the crucial point to grasp here is the contrast. The text introduces us to Leo. It says, Leo is a chef, and he is a funny person. But then it quickly pivots. But today, Harry is not with Leo. He wants to write a sweet letter. You see, Harry specifically needs quiet isolation today. He needs to step away from the loud social energy of his funny best friend to focus entirely on these romantic feelings. We learn he's a man who can play the piano and he can sing beautiful songs. He is actively choosing solitary reflection to channel all this joy. Let's look at this absolutely beautiful line. He must tell her about his warm heart. You know, the urgency of that word must is what really jumps out at me here. It shows just how overflowing his happy feelings truly are in this quiet little moment. He's not just mildly content. His heart is so warm, so full of love that it demands expression. Like he absolutely has to write that letter right now. Moving on to section 4, A Wonderful Summer Ahead, Shared Dreams. This next part beautifully maps out Harry's romantic anticipation, stretching his happiness way out into the future. Let's trace this out slowly through the lyrics. In the chorus we hear, later, he is going to see her. Next week, they are going to walk together. And then the bridge leaps forward. This summer is going to be wonderful. Harry and his love are going to travel to a beautiful beach. His happiness isn't just a fleeting thing, it's actively building toward a shared future. Let's read the lyrics of these summer plans nice and slowly. They do not want to stay in a big hotel. They want to sleep in a tent. They are going to swim in the blue sea every morning. They are going to enjoy the hot sun. They can be happy together every day. The specificity here is just
perfect, choosing a simple tent over some big fancy hotel that perfectly matches the grounded, quiet nature we established earlier. It's all about being together, not about luxury or showing off.
Which brings us to section 5, smiling at the future. Life is good. Let me read this line from the outro nice and slowly for you. Now, Harry is smiling because life is good. I just absolutely love how direct this is. It's a pure, completely uncomplicated celebration of quiet contentment. There are no hidden meanings to unpack here. He's smiling for the simplest, best reason of all. His life is good, and he is deeply, deeply aware of it.
And this actually brings us to one of the most beautiful little details. Remember that nice black watch from his morning routine we talked about earlier? Well, the text tells us, he is not looking at his watch. He is waiting for her. He's completely forgotten to track the time. He's just lost in the timelessness of waiting for love. It's such a brilliant little callback that shows how romance has just entirely suspended his ordinary scheduled life.
Read these final words with me slowly. Later, they are going to speak about the future. That is the story of Harry Days. It ends on this note of gentle promise, wrapping up a perfect slice of life moment that honestly leaves us feeling incredibly warm. It's a great testament to the fact that sometimes the absolute best stories are just about someone who is perfectly happy. As we wrap up this explainer today, I want to leave you with this thought about finding the quiet romance in your own life. When was the last time you let the sun shine on you, completely ignored your watch, and just smiled because life is good? What beautiful moments are you waiting for? And are you taking the time to simply sit under the tree and enjoy the anticipation? Thank you so much for taking this slow, peaceful journey with me today. Until next time, stay curious and take a moment to enjoy the quiet.
If you like this video, write in the comments, subscribe to the channel, give us a like, and share the video with your friends.
Thanks for watching. Bye now.